Okay. Uh, Good afternoon. Um, okay, my English is not good, but I'll try to explain as best I can. Um, my name is Omar Godinez. I'm a metallurgical engineer, and this matter applies to my work area because I work in a mineral processing plant, which is one of the most automated of its kind in the world, with wireless sensor, motion, level, and they need communication between them and the supervisor and reports. And the Internet of Things. The video is very interesting, explaining that is the Internet of Things and how the white spaces are used as a platform for this purpose. As seen in the picture is the ability of the things to communicate through the Internet, such as cars in traffic as shown in the figure. This can be done thanks to new technologies, machines, objects, everyday life and virtual elements. Things can interact in a large network. It is important to note that the Internet of Things is a vision, not a single technology, and it has technological and social consequences. Application such as we see in the mesh, sensors in a house with doors, windows, stove, refrigerator, that can inform a cell to degree of cooking some food. Well, many things that can make communication between these objects. The Internet of Things need wireless devices that are small and lightweight, and they assume require a frequency band to be transmitted. A change with wide spaces is observed. The wide spaces refer to frequency allocated to a broadcasting service but not used locally. And another things, the Internet of Things is conceptualized as the wireless cellular network today. The wireless sensor need to send information right through the network. Is proposed that a future network of Internet of Things, this consists of a series of stations in different parts of the country to provide the necessary coverage, ideally better than we use for our mobile. And opportunity is the area focuses on communication, the white spaces. The image, that image show some features that are necessary for white spaces. For example, the ideal machine for frequencies are those in which radio signals can travel far away, where there is sufficient capacity for a number of gadgets and devices, and above all, the prices is affordable. Only white spaces meet these criteria: less than 1 gigahertz, low cost, plentiful, global harmonized. For the environment of Internet of Things, this include ubiquitous computing, radio frequency identification, exhibits, physical system, wireless sensor network, and machine-to-machine communication. The necessary technology for the ubiquitous computing is divided into three parts: low power computer with their screen, a network that connect all computer systems, and implementing ubiquitous application. In conclusion, this I understand it as the technological trend towards the not too distant future. Although this is still possible today is because the frequency radio band are limited. So engineers, companies, and institutions working in the same direction to develop one that works well with the identified frequency known as band of the white space, and that is optimal for the machine standard technology. Another interesting aspect is the thin microcontrollers or weightless Internet could extend to a lot of devices. These chips would communicate with the network and control centers, making the traffic flow. The risk of these new devices could represent a major step toward more intelligent traffic management, as well as some or another smart devices. Bottom line is to create smart cities in the future or in. Okay, good afternoon. I'm going to explain my acknowledge of the video. It's an interesting conference. I don't speak English very well, but I'm trying to explain my comments. An air interface in communications. The air interface is the central interface of every mobile system and typically the only one to which customers is exposed. The fourth generation wireless are focused on aerial interface, smart antennas, and transmission network improvements in the metropolitan areas and large. What I'm understand by WiMAX. Uh, I understand for WiMAX. It's a worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It's a radio frequency using radio waves at frequencies from 2.3 to 3.5 gigahertz, and its coverage area in 15 kilograms. Besides the standard which define this technology in the IEEE, one of the advantages is to broadband service in rural areas, certification of compliance with the standard for other manufacturers is the WiMAX forum, only for the WiMAX forum. Another interesting question is what is the MIMO technology? Basically, it is an acronym of multiple input, multiple output. Is specifically aimed at how waves are handled, transmit, and receive antennas for wireless devices such as routers, fail MIMO physical phenomena such as multipath propagation. Briefly, MIMO increases spectral efficiency of a wireless communication system through the use of the spatial domain.